I'm going to show you guys how to make my lasagna rolls with garlic parmesan cream sauce. Preheat the oven to 350. I use Italian sausage and I take the casings off. Brown them in a skillet. A healthy alternative or a vegetarian alternative is to use portabella mushrooms. While my sausage is sauteing, I boil my water with added salt when it starts to boil and a little olive oil. Once the water is boiling, add your lasagna noodles. You can cook them al dente because you're going to cook them and bake them in the oven later. Once your sausage is brown, you can pull it from the skillet, chop it up a bit more, save the drippings in your pan because you're going to use your drippings for your bechamel sauce. I add chicken bouillon cube, 2 chicken bouillon cubes to my water for my lasagna noodles while they're boiling to add a little bit of flavor. Next, you're gonna, once your noodles are al dente, take them from the pot and lay them to the side so that they cool. Save your water from your lasagna noodles because you'll use it for your bechamel sauce. Now to make your bechamel sauce, use the drippings from your sausage, add butter, add minced garlic, about 2 tablespoons. Add 2 tablespoons of flour as a thickener. Saute until brown, not burned, but brown. Next, you're going to add the water from your lasagna noodles as it thickens. You're also going to add some seasonings. I like oregano. I also add Italian seasonings. I add tonicacciari. Add those seasonings to your tasting. Next, you're going to add the ricotta, 2 cups of ricotta, 2 cups of pesto basil to your sausage. And this is going to be the stuffing for your noodles. Add a little seasoning to your taste. Prepare for your noodles, add mozzarella cheese to your pan, roll your stuffing to your noodles, place it over the pan, over the cheese. You can space them accordingly because you're going to add them one by one. After you add them one by one, place your bechamel sauce over your lasagna rolls. Add a little grated Parmesan cheese to the top as well as mozzarella cheese. The more cheese, the better. Place in your oven at 350 for about 30 minutes or until golden brown on top. There you have beautiful lasagna rolls. Enjoy.